Circle problem 6. A barrel of whiskey is being rolled up on a ramp. The ramp base is 40 meters and the height is 30 meters respectively. The barrel has to be rolled 20 times to get up the ramp. What is the diameter of the circular base of the barrel? Given data are: ramp base equals 40 meters. Ramp height equals 30 meters. X equals 20 times the barrel must rolled up to get up the ramp. Unknown R equals radius of circular base of the barrel. Solution. Let's illustrate the problem. A barrel of whiskey is being rolled up on a ramp. The ramp base is 40 meters, and the height is 30 meters respectively. The barrel has to be rolled up 20 times to get up of the ramp. What is the diameter of the circular base of the barrel? Now that all the data are illustrated, we will have our equation. Distance d equals circumference c multiplied by the number of rolls of the barrel x, where d equals length of the ramp. C equals 2 pi radius r, or pi diameter d. X equals the number of rolls the barrel need to go up the ramp. Substituting this in equation, we will have our second equation. Distance d equals pi d. We will use diameter d since diameter is being asked in the problem. Multiply by 20, which is the number of rolls needed by the barrel to go up the ramp. The second equation now shows that there are two unknown in the problem: the distance of the ramp and the diameter of the barrel. But as you can see in the illustration that the ramp form a right triangle since base and height is given. Therefore we can perform the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is a theorem in geometry wherein the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle equals the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. And the formula for Pythagorean theorem are: hypotenuse c square equals opposite a square plus base b square, or simply c square equals a square plus b square. But since the hypotenuse c in the problem is the distance of the ramp, we will replace it by big letter D to avoid confusion. Therefore, we will have d square equals a square plus b square. Substituting the value, we will have d square equals square root of 30 meters plus square root of 40 meters. D equals square root of 30 meters square plus 40 meters square. D equals square root of 900 square meter plus 1600 square meter. D equals to square root of 2500 square meter. Distance d equals 50 meters. Now that we get the distance d, which is equal to 50 meters, we can substitute it to the second equation, which is d equals pi multiplied by diameter multiplied by x, which is 20 rolls to get the value of diameter. Now, we will have 50 meters equals pi multiplied by diameter d multiplied by 20. Divide both sides by pi and 20. Cancel pi and 20. Diameter d equals 50 meters, divide pi multiplied by 20. D equals 50 meters, divide 3. 1416 multiplied by 20. Diameter equals 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter is the diameter of the circular base of the barrel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Marlin Technic TV.